What's really interesting is that almost everyone has actually used a Meta product today. If you've messaged someone good morning on WhatsApp, or you've messaged using WhatsApp, or you've opened up Facebook, or you've opened up a meme that your friend sent you on Instagram, then you're using Meta platform on the stock market. I've put over £1,000 into this company. I've actually invested into this company myself. That's why when I give you investing advice, I don't just give you advice on companies. I actually tell you what I myself have put money into. Now, the reason I put money into this company is right now, Instagram has over 2 billion daily users. 2 billion people use it on a daily basis. Think about the billions of people that are spending hours every single day of their lives on these apps. And the craziest thing is that actually you can own a part of the company. So instead of actually putting all your time and hours into looking at funny memes, you can actually invest your money into the company. And that's really what I've done. And I'm talking about long-term positioning. I'm talking about the Meta glasses that have actually done a collaboration with Ray-Bans so that Meta isn't just Facebook. Everyone just thinks of Meta as Facebook. But the thing is that Meta owns Instagram. Instagram is a huge social media platform. So if you're an advertiser or you're a business and you're trying to promote your product, you're going to need an Instagram page. You're going to need a WhatsApp business account. You're going to need these things to order to boost your actual value and actually show what your product is in the modern world. And this is really the thing, is that people don't understand that companies pay billions to advertise on these platforms to show their product to get the right audience. And Meta actually uses AI to specifically target certain audience. That's why you can scroll on your Instagram and you can scroll on your friend's Instagram and see completely different types of content being promoted. And they're investing heavily into the AI section as well. So AI is helping improve the recommendations, actually make people more engagement, more adverts, more memes, more posts. Even Instagram's got a stickers feature now from TikTok. They put the stories feature from Snapchat. You have to understand that they're actually trying to make their advertising more effective. So if AI continues to improve, Meta could become even stronger over the next decade. And then even with the fact of WhatsApp is used every single day by billions and billions of people. WhatsApp has a significant room to actually expand through business models, through business messaging, through actual customer support, commercial tools. WhatsApp is used for so many types of businesses, from nail care to salons to restaurants to ordering things to actually booking reservations. People are using that. Instagram is one of the huge advantages that they also have, because creators want to create products, businesses want to promote products, people want to consume products, people want to buy products, people want to share memes, share their restaurants, share their lifestyles. And this is a really thing, is that obviously there is risks. 100%, the regulation could change everything. Regulation could come in tomorrow, customer habits could change and they more use TikTok than using Instagram. No investment is 100% guaranteed, and that's why it's always good to diversify your money and also do your own research. But one thing that I find really interesting is that a lot of the new trends, a lot of the new fashion trends, the flare jeans, the certain haircuts, the matcha tees, all these things are promoted on Instagram. A lot of the overconsumption that we have in the world is because people are consuming it on Instagram, or oh, did you see that viral video, or oh, did you see that viral meme? And people don't understand is that Meta has been going for such a long time. Facebook has been out for over 20 years and investing a lot of money into AI, algorithms, optimization. That's why I also say you shouldn't spend all your time on Instagram. You shouldn't spend all your time on social media, but investing into the companies, putting your real money, even if it's £500, $500, $600, $1,000, putting it into these companies for long-term development is a great tool. I always talk on my channel about long-term investing. If you're investing for the short term to sell it tomorrow and buy today, that's not the key. The key is long-term potential. It's like your hair growth. Hair growth takes time. Anything in life takes time. It's not an instant, today you put the money in and tomorrow you'll be a millionaire. But I'm talking about long-term. People like to communicate online. Businesses like to advertise online. Creators like to build an audience, followers, likes, shares. And that entire economy is a digital ecosystem. And that digital ecosystem is from Meta. I don't think people are going to just go off Facebook tomorrow or delete Instagram tomorrow. And the World Wide Web is basically, most of the World Wide Web is Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. These are like the most popular actual things people use on the internet. And another thing to actually understand is that patience is really, really important. And so many people want that quick profit. But when you long-term invest, it doesn't matter if the stock goes up today, if it goes down tomorrow. I'm talking about in 5 years, 10 years, what the company is going to be pushing, how many more people are going to be buying the Meta glasses, what the future of the technology is. That's really what the point of my my channel is about. And if there's one company that I would say for the next 10 years to hold, is 100% Meta. I really believe in Instagram. I believe in the growth potential. I've used Instagram when it first came out, and they added stories and added new features, added saving videos, added reels. It's always constantly evolving. You know, you can put music on your page now to actually say what songs you're listening to. You know, understand that, you know, you can share videos, pictures. I think that as a platform, it is growing and it is in demand. So definitely when it comes to creators, when it comes to businesses, advertisers, there's a lot of opportunity for growth. WhatsApp as well is a huge platform, and Facebook is a monopoly. So yes, I'd say invest into it. Like I said, do your own research, do your own due diligence. But for me, that's one thing I'm holding for a very long time. Like I said, you can subscribe to my channel for more investing advice or what to do with your money. It's better than sitting in a bank account, guys. You lot take care.